Welcome back to NeoEnglish, the podcast where we help you improve your English by talking about real news and current events in simple English.
Hey there! Today we're talking about American football, specifically a news story about the New York Jets and something called a rebuilding WR core.
Don't worry if that sounds confusing right now. By the end of this episode, we'll explain it all clearly.
Let's start with the headline. Jets continue rebuilding WR core. Sign Reynolds, ESPN.
First, who are the Jets? The Jets are a professional American football team based in New York. Their full name is the New York Jets.
And what does WR core mean? WR stands for wide receiver. A wide receiver is a player who catches the ball in football.
Corps means a group or team, especially in sports or the military. So, WR Corps means the team of wide receivers.
So, the Jets are trying to improve their group of wide receivers. They're rebuilding, which means they're trying to make it stronger or better than before.
That's right. And they just signed a player named Josh Reynolds. Signed here means they gave him a job on the team. He joined the Jets this week.
Josh Reynolds is 30 years old and has played for a few different teams before this. That's why the article says he's a well-traveled veteran.
Well-traveled means he has been to many places. In sports, it means he has played for different teams. For example, LeBron James is a well-traveled basketball star. So is Zlatan Ibrahimovic in soccer.
And veteran means someone with a lot of experience. In football, a veteran is someone who has been playing professionally for many years.
Josh Reynolds signed a one-year contract, which means he will play with the Jets for one season.
And he's going to earn $2.75 million. That tells us that he's still a valuable player, even though he's been playing for many years.
So why are the Jets doing this? Sometimes when a team is not doing well, they try to rebuild by bringing in new players.
That's what's happening here. The Jets are trying to improve their offense, especially their passing game. That's when the quarterback throws the ball to the wide receivers.
So they want better targets for the quarterback. That means players who can catch the ball and help the team score.
Let's go over some key vocabulary and phrases we learned today.
First, signed. In sports, it means a player was officially added to a team. Example, the team signed a new kicker yesterday. Or, she signed a contract with Manchester United.
Next, rebuild. It means to make something better again, especially after some problems. Example, after losing many games, the team plans to rebuild. Or, the city is rebuilding after the storm.
Also, wide receiver, or WR. That's the football player who catches the ball. Example, the wide receiver made an amazing catch. Or, they drafted a new wide receiver this year.
And don't forget veteran, someone with experience. Example, he's a veteran player with 10 years in the league. Or, she's a veteran teacher who knows how to help students learn.
And finally, corps, not corpse. Corps means a group of people with a special job. Example, the medical corps helped after the disaster. Or, the wide receiver corps is looking stronger this year.
Let's give a quick story to bring it all together.
Imagine you have a team. Your team hasn't won many games. So you decide to rebuild the team.
You want better players, especially the wide receivers. You look around and find a veteran player, someone with experience, named Josh Reynolds.
You offer him a contract for 1 year. He accepts it. Now you've signed him to your WR Corps. You hope he will help your quarterback succeed.
That's what the New York Jets are doing. They're trying to get better by signing experienced wide receivers like Josh Reynolds.
And that's how you can understand the story. Jets continue rebuilding WR Corps. Sign Reynolds.
We hope today's episode helped you learn new words and understand how to use them in real situations.
If you find this episode useful, we'd love it if you shared it with your friends.
Thanks for joining us on NeoEnglish. See you next time with more useful English and interesting news.
Bye for now. And keep practicing your English with real stories.